My correct person, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on when this video take reach you. I welcome you to Favours Blog, your ogbonge channel where they give you correct news and gist as it dey hot, as well as where they give you other things where go build you up spiritually.
For making a mistake.
The General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, where all of us they fondly they call Daddy Gio, don't come as I call to say he make mistake for one talk when he talk before say tithing fit carry person go fire if you don't pay your tithe. The General Overseer Daddy Gio of the Redeemed Christian Church of God to say he did wrong. In fact, he come and say publicly apologize during the program where they go on for the church. He told say he don't come and say to come publicly apologize, say tithing go carry person go fire if you don't pay tithe. He say that one not dey for Bible. Say the only thing wey dey for Bible be say Bible talk say we could follow peace with all men and holiness, without which nobody could fit see God. But he can't go ahead to say tithing fit be 20%, fit be 30%, fit be 40%. In fact, as you dey grow for inside God and as your body dey grow, you supposed to dey increase the way you take dey give. You supposed to dey give violently. It's a 10% tithe supposed to be for those wey just dey start, this Christian race and this Christian work wey we dey do. It just say make we not vex. Even use the analogy of light when we fit say dey travel for straight line. Although he say light they go one direction, but signs up say light they travel for waves. May not blessing and let my mouth to tell you, make I leave you, make you hear from the mouth of Daddy Gio direct.
For making a mistake. For saying that if you don't pay tithe, you might not make it to heaven. I'm sorry, that's wrong. That's not in the Bible. What the Bible says is, ye have peace with all men, and holiness, without which no man shall see God. Now, let me tell you, listen to me. It is possible to be right and wrong at the same time. I prove it to you. I'm a scientist, so I know that. For years, we taught that light travels in straight lines. Now, is that correct? At least those of you who know a little bit of physics will say, sure, but light doesn't bend at corners, it goes straight. But later on we discover it's not just not straight as a rod. Light travels in waves, going one direction, but in waves. It is wrong to limit you to 10%. At a time when some of you should be 20%, 30%, 40%, 10% should be for beginners. Giving should be violently.
So my people, una don hear from the mouth of our esteemed father Daddy Gio. He don't come as I got to say, if you not pay tithe, you not miss say you go fire. But that will not miss say make you not do your obligations here as a Christian. Then you not pay your tithe, and if you pay 20%, if you pay 30%, if you pay 40%, as your power carry you and as body take move you, as God take move your body, that's so you supposed to take pay the tithe. And Nigerians don't come as I call him Daddy Gio to say, he really take true father to come as I call to say, my pikin, I make mistake. And the doctor say, indeed, this one does show say in a very humble man of God and a really better man of God, and God that he really sent out to this generation. So my better person, what do you think about this public apology when our father don't come as I come make you drop your comment for the comment section. And as you drop your comment, may you don't forget to share this video. Share this video, make other people still hear what you hear just now. This now still Favours Blog, my correct person. I beg one thank all our subscribers, but you will never subscribe. Help us hit the subscribe button, like this video, share the video. Don't forget to drop your comment on this very video. We go see for our next video. Till that time, make it better for you, my correct person.